No, because now everyone's watching me.
Yeah, that's fine.
Welcome to Hatley Motorsport, where we suck at racing cars.
We're here today at, I don't even know where we are, Lang Speedway for the Crossfire Shootout. What else is on? Victorian Formula 500. What is it? It's the Formula 500's Victorian title as well. We've got no brains in this joint. It's been a long couple of days.
It's not past lunchtime, so I haven't become good yet.
Mate, it's well past lunchtime.
Okay, it's 3 o'clock. I want a couple more hours.
Yeah, so we're here to run. We come third here last time, so hopefully we're good again.
Mixed emotions right now, alright? Is it going to go alright, shit house or great?
You're gonna go.
Hopefully pretty good. I can get a few guys in front of me. I think we should be alright.
Yeah, we were the right way around.
Wasn't bad. Yeah, no, we were good.
all over
For our first
Balcom
heat. No, it wasn't Balcom. I tried a couple of times, but I thought I was going to get him on the last lap, but just pretty hard to pass, pretty slick. I couldn't get it to hook up coming off the bottom. Could have got a little bit more drive, we would have been good. I reckon we lose a bit of stagger.
Yeah, drop stagger out of it.
Lose a bit of stagger, and maybe suck that in another inch, and I think we'll be good. We did okay. Considering we normally cock the first heat up, that
You
wasn't too
went
bad.
forward though, so-
We went forward, we didn't go backwards.
And you stayed
I was reasonably quick. I managed to keep in front of a couple of the quick guys, so that's a good thing. The car was very loose, very taily, very back end was trying to pass me all the time. So if we can just tighten it up a little bit, I think we'll be somewhere near the mark. Better than I've been previously. So normally this time of the night I'm trying to work out what the hell I did wrong. That wasn't horrible. So we'll see how we go. Pull that out, that's good. lose that bit more stag and go to that 96, that's about it. It's not bad.
So we'll see what they do on the track.
Yeah.
It's still on the bottom, so.
Yeah, but I went up the top for coming in a turn just to try it. Ooh, hang on, there's a little bit. Yeah.
Watch a couple of heats.
Yeah, we'll go and see what's going on. Pretty good. We come second in the end because they put that VX12, Matty, is it Matty Mills?
Yeah, Matty Mills.
Yeah, put him back 2 spots, so we're good.
Can we put it? How come?
Because he hit the, hopefully I've got it on GoPro footage, but he hit the orange cone on the restart, which is straight away back 2 spots, so. I think I nearly hit it 2 on the first restart, but I didn't, so we're all good.
Well, you didn't knock it over.
I didn't knock it over. He actually hit it. I nearly ran over it after he hit it. But yeah, we should be good. Hopefully that'll get us in a good spot, hopefully.
Go see what
Couple of rows, maybe, depending on how everyone else finishes.
What's that one? I'll come see if I can buy it higher. I think it's fucked now. Yeah, well, my
I get a
first,
hater to it.
first heat I blew mine straight off. Hit it back 6.
This one.
Grind it off. Shake off the lip. And then put it up too tall, I can pull the other side in.
Yeah, maybe I'll put the fucking groove in here and groove in the fucking lip.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a tape.
Secret squirrel business.
Squirrel.
Squirrels. Squirrels.
Squirrel.
All the squirrels.
What you looking at?
Fucking joke. Are you good?
Did I get him to the line?
Oh, Scott Shaw was too close.
I don't reckon you quite did.
So either way, that was a good result. We're third or too tight. Too tight. Pardon? Either way, we're second or third, so that was a pretty good result. We'll find out what that is shortly.
Home in third, driving the number 60. Make some noise for Steve Haitley.
Woo!
Still my friends are doing with motorbike.
Steve, congratulations, mate. Consistency's key. 2 podiums in a row. You've got to be happy with how it went. Lang put up a fairly good track for you guys tonight. At the start of the night, you were able to move around a bit. As Tim said, it got a little bit one lane, but hey, you had to do what you had to do and you got the job done when you needed it.
Yeah, no, it got a bit tough in that final, but it wasn't bad fun. We still went around all right. We missed the setup a little bit in the final, but yeah, we still managed to hang on for third, so that was pretty good. So
I'm sure you've got a lot of people behind you you'd like to thank to keep the V60 rolling down the road.
Yeah, got to thank Carmen's windscreens, Hawks Off-Road. I got to thank Tiffany, not Carly, Steve Cartman and Tyler for giving us a hand today. It's been good. So.
Steve Haitley home in third, ladies and gentlemen.